Logarithmic functions. Ngayon, di-discuss naman natin yung logarithmic functions. The most important logarithmic derivatives involves the natural log function. Ito siya. D over dx log g x. Ayan, dala sila. Is equals to g prime over x and g over x. Ay, g of x. This comes directly from the chain rule. Example natin is y is equals to log 5x. Inside function is 5x. So derivative niya is 5. Derivative niya yan. So magiging y is equals to y prime is equals to 5 over 5x is equals to 1 over x. Another example natin is y logarithmic function x squared plus 1 and derivative becomes y prime 2x and x squared plus 1. Meron pa rin tayo mga another problem sets. For problem 1, meron tayong y is equals to logarithmic 3x log 3x. So y prime is equals to 1 over x. And for problem 2, meron tayong y is equals to log x cubed plus 2. So magiging y prime is equals to 3x2 over x cubed plus 2. And another problem na natin, problem number 3, is y is equals to x log x. Product rule natin, product rule, magiging y prime is equals to log x plus 1. And that's all for logarithmic functions. Logarithmic functions.